Everybody, welcome back. I've been seeing these videos on YouTube of the nostalgia kitchen breakfast makers. Well, I have one of the original ones from back in the 80s or early 90s. I don't really know which. We bought it to go in our pop-up camper, and I'm going to show you it, and we're going to cook some stuff on it. Yes, it still works. So give me a second to get it set up, and we'll get going. Okay, guys, here's the original 3-in-1 breakfast maker that I was telling you about. We bought this back in the late 80s, early 90s, I don't know which. We bought it to go in our pop-up camper, and it worked really well. It had the little coffee maker. It's got a four-cup coffee maker, and we're going to make tea today in it for you. And it didn't have the fancy filters that the new ones have now, where you take it out, you just wash it. So we're using these little paper filters that I got. So that's ready. And then it's got the little oven here with the little pan. We're going to make some biscuits in it. And up top here it's got a heating grill. But the little pan here, it's 30 plus years old, so it's got some rust in it. So I'm not going to use it to cook, but I keep it from this. We're going to use my little iron skillet here. We're going to set it right on top. I got a sausage patty. So I got the water in the tank already. So we're going to turn the coffee maker on, let it get started. And we're going to turn this on to both, up and down. It's going to heat the top, and it's going to heat the bottom. While that's heating up, we'll get the biscuits in here. I bought a little tube of biscuits to show how it cooks in there. We'll see how long it takes to cook this stuff. No, it's not real fast. So, pop. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to squish these. It gets 4 biscuits, but I'm going to cook them all. Okay, we'll put this last biscuit in here. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to turn the timer. We'll probably have to use more timer thing if that's heating up. Yeah, that's heating up. So this one here, you can just use the top, or you can just use the bottom. Okay, so we're using both, so I've got it up and down. This is just a timer. If you have stuff in there you want to time, we're going to time it. Let me throw this away. I'll be right back. So down here, I know you can't see it, but the the red's heating up, so the oven will get going here. It'll probably take it about 10 minutes or so. I don't know how long for this. I don't remember how long it took us to cook the sausage, but you can probably see. Whoa, there, it's heating up too. So, like I said, I'm just going to set that right on top. I tried to clean the rust out of this, and I couldn't. So I'm going to take a little sandpaper, maybe later on, and use it. The coffee maker's working. Open it up. You see it dripping. Doing very good on the tea bags. I don't know who made these back in the 80s or 90s. But we bought it at Walmart. I think we paid $24 something for it. But we needed something in our camper because we had a pop-up camper at the time, and it had a little gas stove, which really, 2 burners, you can't really cook a lot of stuff on 2 burners. We got this to make our coffee and tea. I'm not a coffee drinker, but my husband is. I prefer tea in the morning. And I cooked a few biscuits because just me and him and my son at the time. He was like 8 or 9, so we didn't eat a lot of biscuits. This top thing here, we just used it for a warmer. Set the coffee thing up there when it was done, and it worked pretty good for us. We didn't really cook on it. We used some plug-in griddles that we bought. Let's see if this here. Oh yeah. Tea's almost done. Should make 4 cups of tea. So I'm going to pause this. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you where we're at. We're at, been cooking for almost 10 minutes. Here's the biscuits. They're getting there. Rising. Close that back up. And my sausage is starting to cook, starting to sizzle. So, give us some more time. And I'll check back in with you. The tea's all done. I'm going to put some sweetener in that and let it cool off and drink it. Don't let it go to waste. I am going to drink it. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. The timer just went off on the biscuits, so we're going to see how they're doing. Take those out. Look how nice and brown they are. Bottom, not bad. I'm going to leave those in there, and I'm going to turn this here to the upper one. This should still keep going. My sausage right there. My sausage, I don't know if you can hear it. I'll show it to you. It's starting to brown. So it does take longer than 15 minutes to cook the sausage. I'm going to let it go for a few more minutes and then it should be done. Let's cut it in half. Oh yeah, it's done. So yeah, 15 minutes on a piece of sausage too. So we're going to eat that up. And turn that off since it's done. But what do you think? I got tea ready to drink. I'm going to put this artificial sweetener in it. And Splenda. Butter my biscuits. Maybe put some apple butter on them. And make a biscuit and sausage out of one of them. So there you have it. Original breakfast maker from the late 80s, early 90s. And it still works. So let me know what you think. I do like the newer ones, but I don't own one, and I don't see where I should have to go to buy one anytime because this still works if I ever need it. My daughter used this a long time ago when she got it in her apartment, and she didn't have a coffee maker or a hot plate or something. This worked fine for her because Gabby was still like a baby, so she didn't need hot food like this. You know, she needed food, but not people food. She needed baby food. Sorry, babbling there. But let me know what you think in the comments. It's worth it to have one of these handy. Turn the tea off now. And I'm going to let it cool off, and I'll probably put it back up. So, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.